Hey Instagrammers, ready to make your feed even more picture perfect? And most importantly, perfectly secure? Here at Easy Digital Safety, we'll make sure your stunning brunch photos and dreamy landscape shots stay yours, and only yours, safe from those nosy web villains. Okay, here we go. Welcome to Easy Digital Safety. Want only your friends to see your Instagram photos and stories? Switch your account to private, it's super easy. Go to your profile picture menu, settings and privacy, account privacy, and toggle on private account. That's it. Now only people you approve can see your content, an essential step for more peace of mind. And there's another gem for an Instagram that shines bright without burning your security. This is just a sneak peek. Our collection of tips at Easy Digital Safety is as vast as your favorite filter collection. Explore them all. Did this video help? Like and share with your friends to protect more people. Follow Easy Digital Safety for more tips and simple tutorials to stay safe online.